In this video, I will be showing you how you can add the vertical video on your Squarespace website. So here over at Squarespace, what I basically want to do is make this video right here vertical. As you can see, or as you probably know, when we add videos that are vertical or basically mobile view filmed on Squarespace, they do not really look that great and they leave a lot of space around them and they're not really that visually appealing. And that we want to change. And by doing this, we can add some custom code in order to make them vertical and look a lot better. So what we then want to do is just click save here on the video, come into the editor and then navigate into the custom CSS section, which you can find from pages and then into the custom CSS. And down in the description, there's a code that you just need to copy and paste. I will just paste it in right here. And as you can see already, the video now just changed itself. So what I just want to do here is make it a little bit smaller because this is way too massive for my website. I don't like this size, so let's make it a little bit smaller. Something like that will work very fine. Head back into the code. And as you can see here, what we basically do is we target the native video on Squarespace and we say that the padding should be 120%. And add the important tag for it to actually change. What you could do here though is adding either 120. You can see that the video becomes like that. Personally, I actually do prefer maybe having it at 100. You can see that it's looking like that, and that's basically the padding. So I would recommend having somewhere in between like 100 and 120 for the video to look best vertically, but that is just my meaning. For this though, what I will do is make the code 100 as it is down in the description. And as you can see here, we now have the possibility to come in and make it a little bit larger. And we now have a vertical video on Squarespace that works very well and looks a lot better than having a normal wide video. That's it for this very simple tutorial on how you can create a vertical video on Squarespace. If you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.